Let's take you to Cape Town now, where heavy rainfall this past weekend has caused flooding in informal settlements across the city. As a result, about 300 people from the Marikana informal settlement in Philippi have abandoned their homes. The group has been living in the hall since Friday. Our reporter Nasiphi joins us live from Philippi East Community Hall. Nasiphi, a very good morning to you. This is not the first time we're learning that the Marikana informal settlement area has been flooding. We know that ever since last month, those residents have been complaining about the problems. What are the latest developments there?
Well, that is indeed true, Paul. Informal settlements in and around the city of Cape Town, like Marikana, some parts of Khayelitsha and even Dunoon, are still swimming in water following the heavy rainfalls of August and July. And in the recent past few days, this past weekend, Cape Town experienced heavier rains, and it made the situation even worse. And many of them were still battling with the water from last month, trying to get it out of their houses. However, the past week's rain has made the situation worse. I mean, today many Cape Townians are breathing a sigh of relief, but some residents who are going to paint the picture for us as to what's actually happening are saying that they are basically in limbo as to what is going to happen with them next. But I am joined by Mam Dikubo, who's going to paint the picture for us, as we have not been in Marikana this morning, as to why they decided to leave their homes.
Decided on Friday. So for like 135 lower. Kuba kaloku singelwe ngamanzi, ifurniture zethu ziphelile, asinandawo yokulala. Since ngosihleli apha silala apha on the floor, asinayo indlela yokusebenza njalo. Ngoku icarpet zethu zimanzi, ingubo zimanzi, impahla yonke imanzi. Thina abantwana abahlanu endihlala nabo endlini, bendilala nabo apha kule ndawo, anamatrasi ananix yonke into imanzi. Ngoku siyacela ke uncedo naliphi na olivelayo, siyacela sicela amancedo noliphi na olivela kweliphi icala. Sincedakale kule meko sikuyo lamanzi angaka, singawazi ubana kutheni mangaka, because since winter zingena ayibaba khona amanzi, but kulona unyaka awest kuneminye iminyaka, kodwa siyacela uncedo enkosi.
Mama, last month we understand that the city of Cape Town made trucks available with sand for residents to use to try and reduce the number of water, or rather the flooding in people's homes. Did that assist?
No, sisi wami oko bekulindele silindele izo truck eziyi-50 zizazofika zigalele nenantsika nepipeline zizotsala amanzi kwi-drain ezibhlokleyo. Since oko besilindele ngoko last month ngoJuly kange kubekho nto ifikayo. Yade sathatha isigqibo kokuba masize apha eholweni, maybe mhlawumbi usithotha akwazi uba ashukume akwazi ukusinceda, but sinida amancedo amore gqitha elikasithi. Inkosi.
There is Mam Dikubo just talking about the fact that she has 5 children, and since July her home has been flooded with water, and that is the reason why she decided to abandon her home, leaving her furniture behind, just taking the essentials, a mattress and also blankets, to ensure that they have a roof over their head and they seek refuge in these cold times in the Western Cape. But I am also joined by Tata Kolani here, who's one of the community leaders, who's going to be talking to us as to why they decided to come open the hall one, as we know that the city of Cape Town has decided to close the halls during the period of the pandemic.
Ngolesine kufika abahlali phakum baqaqwe ngamanzi ezindlini. So into eyenzeka ke kulesine siya sathatha imarch seze holweni likaceba, size naye kuceba uba makobona abantu bahlele emanzini. Into ayenzileyo kuceba kwangolesine njalo kuthe ngo4 kwafika iitruck eziyi4 ekuthiwa zizofuqa amanzi, mar azenzanga amahluko, azikawenzi umahluko, abantu basathatha. Abahlali babuze kuceba uba ke ngoku bazawuhlala phi. Wathi uceba no, akanayo indawo yobahlalisa ngoba iholo livalwe lu-COVID-19. NgoLwesihlanu abahlali bathatha isigqibo soba mabazoqhekeza apha eholweni, sikwazi uba sihleli njengale ndlela sihleli ngayo, ngoba kaloku sihleli emanzini. Siyalunida uncedo. Ulindile wesulu makehle ngasentla khe zapha kule ndawo sikuyo, azoba uyayibona eTVini, makeze ngenyawo zakhe ezapha kuba sifuna amancedo singaba bantu njengangoku ke sengisithi i-generator enye ikhona kodwa akukho mahluko owenzekayo. Amancedo ko usithi akakangeneleli kweli sisancedwa njengamaSamariya nje abalungileyo. Udisaster akakangeneleli. Amapolisa usithi usimangalele njengoba sihleli apha uvule icase.
That is one of the community leaders saying that the city of Cape Town has allegedly opened a case against them as they decided to open this wall and live here following the fact that many of their homes are flooded with water from this past weekend. However, we will also be speaking to the MMC for Human Settlement in the city of Cape Town later on in the day on some of the allegations that have been leveled against the city of Cape Town for opening a case, and also the fact that they had not made the trucks available to drop off residents of Marikana informal settlement, which we know is one of the informal settlements in the city of Cape Town that is very prone to flooding when we are experiencing adverse weather conditions.